Umentri rangba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma haka nyau tarik unai wing ulalet banshim bentalang haka jing rakhe dap sanpos nem Jubilee ksiar joka St Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang kabadai ka wena ki school ka paunam ha Eastern West District. Haka ni ka sngi umentri rangba ula buru ye umau nongrim bante ka madan football joka tika school lengba ka scheme CMSDF. Umentri rangba ula penkubura me ki samla puli ki bala pas bha ha ki jing puli jongki na ka ni ka school. Lapan pu ekate ka jing rakhe ka jing dan lang ki reuniam ki nong hikai ki kimi ki kpa badru ki khna puli jong kani ka school.
But it's in every sector that Christianity has today impacted the lives and the level of livelihood and all aspects of the common citizens of our state. And education is again one shining example. And St. Thomas today, your school, your institute is surely one of the best examples of how our Christian missionaries, different denominations, but these Christian missionaries have made a difference in the people's lives. And so many lives have changed and so many people have been benefited out of this. I thank our missionaries who have dedicated and sacrificed. Our embassy in his talk, he spoke about sacrifice. It's a very simple word and we use it all the time, but this is a living example of what sacrifice means. And therefore I thank the governing body and I thank the teachers for this wonderful gift, this wonderful institute that we have given to the people out here. Welcome, welcome.